Stay until the end of the video and subscribe and get your free travel packing list. Welcome to Singapore, a city-state that defies its diminutive size to stand tall on the world stage as a beacon of luxury, innovation, and cultural fusion. Known affectionately as the Little Red Dot, Singapore offers a treasure trove of opulence and experiences that rival the grandeur of the world's largest metropolises. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Singapore promises an unforgettable journey through its first-class offerings. Our journey begins at one of the most iconic landmarks, Marina Bay Sands. Beyond its jaw-dropping architecture and world-renowned rooftop infinity pool lies the ultra-exclusive Chairman's Suite, an invite-only sanctuary for the elite, promising unmatched luxury and panoramic views of the city. Just a stone's throw away lies the tranquil oasis of Sentosa Island, home to Capella Singapore. Known for hosting international dignitaries, Capella offers the colonial manor for those seeking a blend of modern luxury and historic charm. It's a place where privacy meets prestige. No visit to Singapore is complete without experiencing the grandeur of Raffles Hotel. Since 1887, this historic establishment has been synonymous with luxury, hosting luminaries like Rudyard Kipling and Charlie Chaplin. Today, General Manager Christian Westbeld ensures every guest is treated like royalty, where time seems to slow down within its storied walls. Raffles is not just known for its luxurious suites, it's the birthplace of the world-famous Singapore Sling and the sophisticated million-dollar cocktail. With 9 exquisite dining venues, it's a culinary journey that tantalizes the taste buds and celebrates Singapore's rich heritage. For those with a penchant for retail therapy, Singapore's Orchard Road is a shopper's paradise. Spanning 2.2 kilometers, it's home to over 5,000 stores, including the architectural marvel that is Ion Orchard, where luxury brands beckon with their alluring displays. At the shops at Marina Bay Sands, indulge in a personal shopping experience like no other. With 270 boutiques and 19 duplexes, it's a one-stop destination for discerning shoppers. From high fashion to exclusive jewelry, it's a testament to Singapore's status as a global shopping hub. Singapore's architectural feats extend to its retail spaces. The floating Apple store and Louis Vuitton's Crystal Pavilion stand as testaments to innovation and design, offering experiences as unique as the products they house. Singapore's culinary scene is a melting pot of flavors, boasting 55 Michelin-starred restaurants. From the French sophistication of Les Amis to the neo-Nordic flair of Zen and the heartfelt creations at Odette, where chef Julien Royer pays homage to his grandmother through exquisite dishes, Singapore's gastronomy is as diverse as it is delectable. Beyond the urban jungle, Singapore offers serene escapes like gardens by the bay. A marvel of horticultural artistry, it's a place where nature and technology entwine in a spectacular display of sustainability and innovation. Immerse yourself in Singapore's rich cultural tapestry at the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple in Chinatown. It's a spiritual journey through history, architecture and devotion, offering tranquility amidst the city's bustling pace. No visit to Singapore is complete without a snapshot with the iconic Merlion. An emblem of the city's maritime heritage, it's a must-see for every traveller seeking the quintessential Singaporean experience. For a truly unique perspective, set sail on the Royal Albatross, where the sea and sky converge in a breathtaking panorama. It's a voyage of romance and adventure, where every moment is crafted to perfection. Whether you're exploring its luxurious hotels, indulging in world-class shopping, savoring its diverse cuisine, or simply soaking in the vibrant culture, Singapore invites you to experience a world where luxury knows no bounds. Welcome to First Class. Welcome to Singapore. Plan your first-class journey today and discover the little red dot that promises big adventures. If you're ready to visit Singapore, click the link in the description to book your adventure, and don't forget to download our exclusive free travel packing list. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Singapore. Subscribe for more explorations of the world's most fascinating destinations.